My name is Morgan and I am with TMI Gifts, and today we are going to talk about spooky season. Who's excited? I know a lot of you are, and we have a ton of new product, but I picked out about 10 of my favorite things that I'm going to show you guys. And look, I'm going to show you my spooky friend. We're going to talk about it a little later, so stay tuned for more. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys things priced from $1.50 all the way to $150, okay? Starting with this little hat that I have on. It's actually 180 Degrees brand. It has 3 different colors, and it does have the little spider on the hat. These are $19, so $19 for the witch hat. And then let me show you guys these moss pumpkins. We have moss mushrooms. We have moss skulls. These guys are only $1.50, and I promise you these will not last long. And don't forget, when you're shopping with us at www.tmigifts.com, you do get free shipping when you spend $50 or more. So $1.50 on these moss pieces. These are great sitter pieces, great gifts. So much you can do with these for Halloween or even fall. Okay, so I have this spooky season metal sign, and it is only $5.95. $5.95 for this adorable sign. Put it in a wreath, put you some sprays and a bow on there, and you are good to go. Only $5.95. And then one of my favorites is this little foam piece that says trick or treat. I love the styrofoam pieces. Most all of them come with I don't know, it's not a wire string, but it's like a plastic string. So you can cut it and then you can put it into your wreath, but then also they have the little hangers on the back. And I actually pulled 2 more of the bigger foam pieces. This is the spiral circle. And if you don't want to put this in a wreath or a swag, a lot of people have been putting them on the doors like this and just popping a bow. So in this case, I would put a Halloween bow on it, and then you can also put acrylic writing on these, and you could put Happy Halloween. That would be so cute. Candy. This would be really fun. Okay, so we have limited quantity left of these. Everybody has gone crazy over these. These are skull jars, and they are $1.50. We have them in the clear, and then we have them in the black as well. I would put candy in them, and you know, if your kid is in a classroom, or if you've got friends that love Halloween, or you're having a Halloween party, fill these up, give them as little gifts. I think it would be great. $1.50, you could not beat that. This little Happy Halloween sign, I love it as well. I believe it's $5.95. I could be wrong, but we will get the corrected price on there. If I am, it's $5.95. Really cute ribbon. Put that in a wreath, sprays. Love it. I love the color scheme of that. Okay, and these are super fun. I was looking for batteries and I couldn't find any. For only $2.50. It does take batteries, and you turn the lights off, put the batteries in. It has an on and off button, and then they will light up. But only $2.50. And look, these are plastic, okay? And if you're searching on our website, we just put tons of new items up that are $5 and less on our Halloween. Lots of stuff like this. So if you are a party planner, or if you love Halloween and you do fun things, get on there and shop. And don't forget, you can shop online with us at www.tmigifts.com, and you do get free shipping when you spend $50 or more. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the big guy. Okay, but let me put this hat back on. I do want to talk about it a little bit more. This is the 180 degree brand, and we are going to get that listed on the website under the brand, but you can find this on our website now. It is live. It's $19, okay? $19 for the witch hat. Like I said, it does have the spider on it, and I think it comes in 3 colors. I know the other one is yellow, and maybe we have a red. So $19 on this witch hat, you guys. It is so cute. Okay, well, before we get to the big guy, I do have to talk about this other item. Oh, you guys, I love it. This cauldron is so cute with the witch feet. This design actually reminds me of Mackenzie Childs. This is absolutely beautiful. Put your candy in here. I would even say you could line it with plastic, put dip in here for your party, put chips in here. This is so adorable, and it's only $50. $50. It is on the website. You can shop, so $50, and if this is the only item you need, don't forget, you're gonna get that free shipping. So $50, you guys, is beautiful, and we only have, I believe Lori told me we only have about 10 of these left. So if you want one, go get it. You've got to go get it. Okay, so one of my favorite pieces I'm going to show you guys is the spider. And don't freak out when I tell you the price, but I will tell you this. If you love Halloween and you got to have your stuff now, we only have 4 of these guys left, okay? So the price has not affected some people because they love it so much, but this is 180 Degree brand as well. And he is $150. Y'all, he is so cute. If you had a shelf in your house you could set him on, if you're planning a party, and I mean, I don't know, you might get away with like putting him on your wall with the spider web stuff. But Lori actually put him together. Me and her were working on this yesterday. And all you do is when you get the box, you'll get the middle piece, and then the legs will come inside the box, so it's not a ginormous box. And you'll just put these on like this, and then you're all set. But he is $150. He is beautiful, absolutely stunning, and he is flocked. A lot of you are going to ask what he's made out of. He is black flocked. So this is the 180 Degree brand, like I said. I just picked out about 10 of my favorite items, and this is now live on the website. We're getting super excited. After the 4th of July, we're going to start putting up our Halloween and Christmas, and we have some cute stuff. I didn't even pull everything that we have back there. So be sure and check us out online at www.tmigifts.com, and don't forget, you can get free shipping when you spend $50 or more. Or if you would love to come see us, we're located in Golden, Mississippi, right on Highway 25. We would love for you guys to come visit. We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30. And during the Christmas season, November and December, we're open on Saturdays, 8 to 2. So be sure and come see us. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to try to show you guys more products and get ready. We're about to start decorating trees and for Halloween. So we're going to for sure get those on video so you can go along with us as we decorate our entire showroom. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.